In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a niche in Ubersuggest by Neil Patel. If you've been looking to tap into digital marketing using one of the most versatile tools available, you're in the right place. We're going to explore each step in detail, from logging in to Ubersuggest to uncovering niche ideas that could bolster your content strategy. Let's start by heading over to Ubersuggest. Open your web browser and type in neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once you're there, make sure to log in with your credentials to gain full access to its features. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up to unlock the treasure trove of insights waiting for you. Once you're logged in, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. Here, you'll want to enter a broad topic related to your area of interest. Think of subjects like fitness, fashion, home decor, or pets. These are general ideas that will help you explore more specific sub-niches later. After typing in your chosen broad topic, go ahead and click the search button. Now that you've initiated your search, it's time to navigate to the keyword ideas section. You'll find this option on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a vast array of options including related keywords, search volume, and SEO difficulty. This is the key area where you can start to discover sub-niches within your main topic of interest. For instance, if your broad search topic was fitness, Ubersuggest might reveal sub-niches, such as home workout for women, yoga for beginners, or fitness meal plans. These smaller, more focused areas can offer a great starting point for creating valuable content or launching new products. The next step is crucial to fine-tuning these niche ideas. You'll want to check both the search volume and the SEO difficulty for each potential sub-niche. Ideally, you want to choose a niche that boasts a healthy search volume, indicating that there's significant interest in that area, but also has low SEO difficulty, which suggests it will be easier to rank content on search engines like Google. Lastly, don't overlook the content ideas section. After identifying potential sub-niches with good search volume and manageable difficulty, click on Content Ideas. This feature will show you existing content that performs well in those niches. Not only does this give you an idea of what topics resonate, but it can also inspire your own blog posts, YouTube videos, or e-commerce products, allowing you to tailor your content to what your audience is searching for. By the end of this process, you'll have a clearer understanding of which niches are worth pursuing and how you can effectively cater to your audience's needs using Ubersuggest. With these steps, you are on your way to developing a successful content strategy that aligns with trends and audience demands.